The party at Costco. We are at spot number 2. We're gonna go to Abanicos Durán. We are at the Home Depot now. 2007 airflow. That's not good. Oh my God, there's somebody crying like crazy. And we have quesito frito.
It's very, very good.
Did ask the waiter if this is Puerto Rican or Dominican. It is Friday and we are here at Costco. We're gonna check out some ceiling fans, see if we get lucky. So let's go. She just said the spirit is taking the car. They got some music here. The party at Costco. Okay, so here we have ceiling fans, 2 of them. This is one price. This one I actually like it, but this is what you gotta look at. This number over here, right here. And that's not good. I like it to be like 4,000 or more. Oh my God, there's somebody crying like crazy. I don't like remotes because if you mess up the remote, you stay without a fan. And they have them on display here too. I'm not feeling it. They have some more over here. It's pretty cheap. I have always wanted this to put the eggs all nice and cute in the fridge. $13.99. But no. Focus on ceiling fan. Oh, but I like this too. No. Ceiling fan. We had no luck at Costco, but we are headed to spot number 2. We are at spot number 2. We're gonna go to Abanicos Durán, so let's check it out. There's a lot of fans here. Which one? This is the only one we've liked so far. Hunter, 52 inch. We are at the Home Depot now. Let's see if we get lucky here. Here we have tons of them as well. Decisions. Let me show you the new fans, which is like a chandelier, but then it has a fan there. Very expensive. So we like this one right here, which is $219. It's this one right here, 60 inch, and it's $4,099, the airflow. So 4,000 is pretty good. It does have remote, which I hate. Also liked this one. It's a little smaller, a little cheaper, $164, and they actually have it today because they didn't have it the other day. $3,600. So this one doesn't have that much of airflow. So I think this is it. The one that's $219. Yeah, I think I want that one for sure. See what I mean about the airflow? This one is 2007 airflow. That's not good. Not good. We got the cart. We are taking it, people. We are taking it. That one. We need 2. ¿Vas a coger uno de abajo? Oh my God, they're so dirty. Look at this. Y estos de acá están más limpios. These are the fans that we are trying to replace. They are the living room, dining room, and the remote just doesn't work, and we have been here without light, without fan, and you know, it's just time to replace them anyway, because we can buy universal remotes, but we decided let's just buy some. And we don't have air conditioning here in the living room, only in the bedrooms, so we need ceiling fans. Very important. When you live in Puerto Rico, it's good to have ceiling fans, because if you buy the ones with the stand on the floor, it occupies space. It doesn't look so great. Mr. Handyman is assembling the fan to put it up there. Here is some progress. Looking good. They are done. Sergio installed them. We got light, we got air, looks cute, yay. Hey you, so today is Saturday, and as you may know, I have mentioned that on Saturdays I go to Toa Alta and I take these classes of like acting, modeling, speaking in public and things like that. I'm very excited because today's class is about acting, and last week as well, and I just love acting. I mean, haven't you noticed that I'm so dramatic in my videos? Today I'm acting a little piece I invented. Well, the first thing that came to mind was domestic violence or gender violence, and the reason why I chose that topic of gender violence is because it's been happening so much here in Puerto Rico, and right now there's a case where this man allegedly abused a woman and abducted her. I think it's an 18-year-old girl. So, you know, that topic is being talked about right now so much, I figured I'd touch on that topic. Maybe I'll film it and you'll see it. It will be in Spanish. But anyway, I'm almost there, so wish me luck. No quiero escuchar eso, no me dejes. No, ver que tú me hiciste esto, pero tú sabes qué. Yo te perdono. Yo te perdono hasta esto. Yo no voy a llamar ni a la policía. Por favor. Solamente te pido que no me dejes, por favor. Yo no puedo vivir sin ti. Yo no puedo vivir sin ti. Por favor, no me dejes, Julio. No. No me dejes, por favor. Julio. So how did I do in my acting debut? I mean, I would say it wasn't bad. I haven't acted in a very long time. So, you know, I'm a little rusty. Maybe I'll take some more classes. I don't know. I'm glad I shared it with you. But let me know what you thought about it. I finished the class and I went home. I changed. So we decided to go eat somewhere. And we are here already. It's a place that we have not eaten at. So I'm taking you with me. Okay, I think I am getting the filete de mero a la criolla, which in English is right here. What's that, grouper? Grouper filet with the Creole salsa. First course, we have some mozzarella sticks and we have quesito frito. Okay, so I'm gonna try this quesito. Like salty, but they have this sauce here, guava. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Let's see. It tastes like a dessert with this because it makes it sweet. Like it. I'm gonna taste the mozzarella sticks. Tastes different. Homemade. I like the quesito better. How is the sangria?
Una sangría tinta, se siente bien, muy buena, de la casa, bien hecha.
It looks like the manager is going from table to table asking if everything is okay. So the service has been good so far. Here is our food. That's my grouper, not sure how to say it, and the mahi. Arroz mamposteado and a salad. I think I'm missing some tostones. Sabe a salsa de tomate.
Tostones que vienen por ahí, ¿ok?
Ok, está bien, gracias.
It's very, very good. Tasty. Suave. Very good flavor. Fresh.
Got my tostones here with a little bit of salad. I need mayo ketchup. I'm gonna put some of that. It is so hot. He took my plate. So I did ask the waiter if this is Puerto Rican or Dominican. She said the owners are Dominican, but they combine the food of Dominican and Puerto Rican, so it's a mixture of both. Good service, good place, good food. It is Thursday and no, it's not. Hola, yo veo. ¿Será tu casa?
Ah, tan rec.
Oh, look at me está comiendo el pez. My class and I went home. No enfoca. We are trying to today I had, but for today, maniático. Ay, envié algo aquí.